Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Chrysler 300 in neutral. This is useful for towing or moving the vehicle when the engine is off. You'll need to find a small access point near your gear shifter. Once located, you'll use a tool to press a release, allowing you to manually shift the transmission. It's a straightforward process that can be done quickly with the right steps. First, locate the shift interlock release. On most Chrysler 300 models, this is a small, discrete cover positioned close to the base of your gear shifter. It might be a tiny square or rectangle. Carefully use a small flathead screwdriver or a similar thin tool to pry this cover off. Be gentle to avoid scratching the surrounding console or damaging the plastic piece. Once the cover is removed, you will see a small lever or button inside the opening. Insert your flathead screwdriver or a similar pointed tool into this hole. Press down firmly on the lever. This action disengages the shift interlock, which normally prevents you from moving the shifter without the brake pedal pressed or the engine running. Keep this pressure applied. With the shift interlock release still pressed down, you can now move the gear selector. Carefully slide the shifter from its current position, usually park, directly into the neutral position. Once the shifter is in neutral, you can release the pressure on the interlock lever and remove your tool. Always double-check that the vehicle is indeed in neutral before letting go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.